Hey friends, this is DigiOps, and I wanted to share with you a really cool tool on how you can predict where the market is going, and better yet, how you can trade the trends and make money trading crypto. See, most people have been losing money for the last 6 months, ever since the Bitcoin bull rush that we've seen last year, and they've been losing money for 6 consecutive months. Now we've had a couple corrections that have brought up the valuation, but for the most part, we've seen down market, and so either you've been sitting in crypto, trading, day trading, trying to save your capital, or you've been losing money. Now, if you want to turn that around and you want to start making money, you need to be very refined and very dedicated, and you have to have a discipline in your trading. Okay, so one of the tools that you'll need to use when you're trading the market, so you don't guess, right, or spend all your time having to calculate on charts and using spreadsheets and calculators and all that stuff. You can use a system to calculate for you. If you look at all the coins that you want to invest in and trade, you'll notice that there's about 600 plus coins that you want to trade actively. Sure, there's some gems that you'll want to buy that doesn't really have any historical data to analyze. But when you're trading the trends, you can make a lot of money here. And I'll show you a very simple way of how you can get into trading very quickly. All right, so what we're going to do here is we're going to dive into the software, and I'm going to show you in less than 30 seconds how you can start finding profitable coins. All right, so let's see, what are we trading? What's our current trading outlook? Okay, on the 60-minute, we're at 76% success rate. I'm sorry, on the 30-minute. On the 50-minute, we're on a 79.71% success rate. On the 60-minute, we're at a 71.83% success rate. All right, so we're batting pretty good here. Now, if we look at the profits, it hasn't been a huge profit day, but 1.88% versus 81%. And so we've taken some decent profits there. But now this is just the software grabbing all of the coins. What you can do is you can handpick the ones that you want to trade. And hopefully you have some long-term bags that you're trading and some short-term bags and medium bags that you're trading. And the software will help you identify, where the trends are for those coins. All right, so let's look on the daily here really quickly. And we'll see that we're at an 80% success rate on our calls. This is going to remove your guessing. And if you see here, we're at a 14.64% average profit versus a 4.64% average profit. Now, this software will help you get profits even in a down market. All right, how cool is that? So what you can do here is let's find a quick coin we want to buy. All right, so we're not in any trades yet, so we can just move that away. And this is going to show us, so right now, for an example, we have a buy order for Bitcoin and EOS. So we're gonna buy EOS, and it's on Binance here. So let's look at the chart really quickly. Actually, even better, let's look at all the time frames. So what this is going to do is going to give you all time frames from a very simple to see window. Now, in order for you to see all of this on a computer without the software, you would need like 6, 7, 8 screens to do that. But now you can get it on a quick glance. All right. Now, let's look at this here. We've been in a call on the 15, the 30, the 60. We're flat on the 120. We have a sell order on the 240. The 480, we're going high in 190. So we're in a good trend here. Now, this would be a good coin to invest in. And hopefully you've been in some of these trades earlier on down here. And notice that we would have a trade here. So if, let's say I want to do a longer term trade, a couple days, what I would do is I would buy at this price point here. All right, buy EOS at this price point here. So you set your stop limit order at this price. And once it hits that price, right, you have a very high risk to reward ratio. Excuse me, you have a very high reward to risk ratio. So what you're seeing here is you have a really big gain, and you have a lower loss here. So what this is going to do is give you a 19.1% gain on this coin. That's pretty sweet, right? So what you want to do to trade this is you will set your buy order here, and then once it hits that order, then you move your stop loss up, or you set your stop loss, and then once we hit this price point, you would sell 50% of your shares, and then you would sell the remaining 50% here. Okay, that's simple, really easy to do, and you just simply click a couple buttons, and now you can get your trade. So what you do, you simply log into the software, select the trades you want to enter into. So let's just say that the daily, or let's say you want to get into a fast trade for maybe the day. You want to do a day trading type of thing, and let's find a coin here. Let's go to Binance here. We'll select an exchange. Binance, show my results. and we have a Dash. So we can get a 1% or Bitcoin Cash. And but Dash here is show all time frames. We had a 15-minute. We're still, so I wouldn't actually take this order because we still have a little bit down pressure. There's no, the trend is pretty weak on Dash. Yeah, I'm gonna hold off on that. But what you could do is you can still set your buy order here, and if it never hits it, you never get put in the trade. It's as simple as that. All right, so let's find something maybe on the 15-minute time frame. TNT BTC, we have a 2% gain. It's the first time it's ever hit this point. We're at 971 as the last trade, so we make a 2% gain on that. Pretty simple, pretty easy, right? And so you can make money even in a down market. So play with this. Use this software. Try it out for yourself, and enjoy the benefits of having a software predict the market for you, calculate for you, and do this all at a click of a button. Now, I'm really excited for you to try the software out for yourself. Come over to cryptosignals.software and sign up. Play with software, enjoy it, learn it, use this mechanism of trading because it's going to teach you how to make money trading. When the market's down, you get to see the markets are down. Ripple's been up for the last couple of days. And in fact, I just saw a post on the news that was talking about Ripple's leading the way in the bull run. We'll see. We have some interesting things going on with Bitcoin. Let's take a look at Bitcoin here really quickly. You want to get a flash chart on what's going on with Bitcoin. We're in a down market with Bitcoin. It's still going down. We've had a correction today, but we've had 120, the 60, the 30, and the 15. All are heading north. Pretty fantastic. All right. So what you can see here is we've had a rush for the day. It's been a correction. The 240 and the 480 are flat, and we could start seeing a reversal head up to higher time frames. All right. So just to know though, we're not out of the bear trend yet. We still have to be careful of the weekly. But within the intramural time, we can make some money through the next couple of days. So this is how you trade effectively, and this is how you can easily get a glimpse of what's going on with the crypto world and get an idea. So you can stop guessing. Guessing is the #1 reason most traders fail, and because they're guessing, they're just taking guesses or they're following crappy news. So use the software, get profits. Look at this, 11.4% profit, 100% success rate on its daily calls for Bitcoin. All right, where else are you going to find anything like that? There's nothing else on the market like this. The software will help you trade more effectively, more efficiently, and a lot easier. So thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video. If you're interested in crypto signals, come over and hang out with us, join the Telegram channel, and just trade with us. That's what we're interested in doing. But buy the software for yourself so you can be a self-efficient trader. You can learn what is a good trade and what's not a good trade, and the software will help direct you into that. If you are an advanced trader, you already see the benefits of this. You see the power that this can really bring for your business and for your trading. So I'm Professor DigiOps. I look forward to talking with you again soon. Come over and check out the software, and we'll see you on the other side.